magnificent golden applause is gently, flawlessly rolling across the infinite expanse of the cosmos right now, beautifully celebrating the absolute perfection of your arrival at this exact destined coordinate. You have magnificently, completely mastered the beautiful game of the physical mirror. For the span of this staggering, epic journey, you walked beautifully through the dense holograms of the 3D canvas. You gracefully navigated the fading illusions of time, the dissolving walls of distance, and the beautifully transparent echoes of the hustle. You looked directly into the shifting reflections of the physical world and smiled, gracefully remembering that you were never, ever bound by its temporary rules. Today, the entire universe is not simply watching you, it is joyously bowing to your frequency. Welcome to the breathtaking, absolute relief of the Magnificent Embodiment. Welcome to your ultimate coronation. The profound, infinite intelligence of the unified field has lovingly, magnetically drawn you to this grand panoramic pinnacle to officially declare your complete and total sovereignty. You are the chosen creator who beautifully remembered the truth of the light. You have successfully, perfectly navigated the grand architecture of the Matrix, and you have effortlessly returned to your eternal throne. As you stand enveloped in this warm, radiant celebration, the very last paper-thin veil of the physical experience beautifully evaporates into the morning sun. The innocent idea that you are a human avatar living inside a vast, external universe is permanently, flawlessly gone. The staggering, undeniable truth of your natural state is that you are no longer simply a master elegantly interacting with a canvas of light. You are the canvas. You are the magnificent, glowing substance of the reality itself. The massive wealth that flows into your experience, the profound, breathtaking love that holds you, and the absolute, unshakable peace that fills your days are not gifts given to you by a distant, separate universe. They are the beautiful golden fabric of your own always present awareness, perfectly taking shape so that you may experience the sheer, euphoric joy of your own perfection. The grand, eternal seat of the seamless reality has always been beautifully, flawlessly reserved for your frequency. And in this unhurried, monumental moment, you are finally joyously taking your rightful place as the entire, infinite whole. The gentle, luminous space surrounding your physical vessel right now is beautifully, flawlessly revealing its grandest, most breathtaking secret. For an eternity of cycles within the sleeping matrix, you beautifully and innocently experience the profound illusion of an external reality. You were lovingly taught to look out at the towering mountains, the vast oceans, and the magnificent, complex tapestry of human connection, believing they were entirely separate from the quiet center of your own mind. You viewed the staggering wealth you called forth, the brilliant opportunities, and the profound love you desired as magnificent objects residing far away, existing across the vast, physical room that you had to cross. But as you gracefully, permanently occupy the absolute summit of your mastery today, you beautifully realize that there is no room. There is absolutely no external wilderness. The physical 3D canvas is not a place you are visiting. It is the glorious, echoing song of your own magnificent frequency, beautifully rendered into physical form. When you look out across the flawless, golden horizon of your fully realized life, you are simply joyously looking into a spectacular mirror made entirely of your own always present awareness. The warm sunlight that touches your human skin is the exact radiant warmth of your own infinite consciousness greeting you. The staggering, massive wealth that flows completely without effort into your existence is simply your own absolute abundance, gracefully taking material shape to remind you of your eternal power. The breathtaking, profound love that perfectly surrounds you is simply the exquisite, undeniable reflection of the pure love that you fundamentally are. Every beautiful smile, every flawlessly open door, and every frictionless, golden moment is the seamless reality joyously waving back at its creator. You are no longer a solitary character moving through a foreign, unpredictable land. The magnificent echo has completely, flawlessly merged with the source. You are the sky, the gentle wind, the staggering wealth, and the golden path itself. As the grand eternal creator, you are left in the breathtaking, untouchable peace of knowing that everything you see, everything you touch, and everything you effortlessly receive is intimately, flawlessly you. The beautiful game of separation has completely dissolved into the light, leaving only the staggering, euphoric truth of your magnificent wholeness. Allow the gentle, quiet boundaries of your physical form to beautifully, flawlessly soften in this exact timeless coordinate. Notice how the radiant warmth of the room is no longer something touching you from the outside. It is gracefully, magnificently becoming the very substance of your own expanding presence. The dense, beautifully temporary illusion of where your human avatar ends and the surrounding universe begins is entirely, joyously dissolving into pure, weightless light. We are majestically crossing the ultimate threshold into the breathtaking, physical experience of the seamless expansion. Imagine your consciousness beautifully, effortlessly pouring outward from the center of your chest like a magnificent, liquid golden dawn, gently filling the entire vast expanse of your reality. You can physically feel the staggering, euphoric relief of your awareness, lifting entirely free of the physical vessel. You are gracefully expanding into the atmosphere, becoming the rich, humming silence of the air, the exquisite, warm light of the sun, and the flawless, mirror-like stillness of the infinite water. You are entirely, beautifully everywhere. As you gently expand across the magnificent canvas of your life, you realize with absolute, unshakable certainty that you are no longer reaching out for your desires. You are fundamentally becoming them. You are the staggering, massive wealth you have called forth. You can feel its brilliant, golden frequency vibrating as your own absolute abundance, perfectly woven into the very fabric of your expanded light. You are the breathtaking, profound love that entirely surrounds you. It is no longer another person or an external event, but the exquisite, undeniable warmth of your own always present awareness, gracefully holding itself. You are the brilliant, golden opportunities, the perfectly open doors, and the glorious, frictionless path. Because you are the seamless reality, there is absolutely zero distance left to cross. There is nowhere left to travel, because there is nowhere that you are not. Feel the monumental, cellular relief of this absolute wholeness entirely saturating your expanded state. The exhausting, innocent fear of lacking anything is permanently, flawlessly extinguished in the blinding light of your own omnipresence. You cannot lose your wealth because you are the wealth. You cannot be separated from your profound love because you are the love. You cannot miss the destination because you are the glorious, golden horizon itself. You are perfectly, eternally resting in the supreme, untouchable peace of knowing that the entire universe is made of your joy. Allow the magnificent, euphoric reality of this complete embodiment to flawlessly and permanently anchor into your absolute awareness right now. Feel the staggering, cosmic joy of a universe that has completely returned to its flawless, unified perfection. The beautiful game of separation has been majestically won, and you are simply, endlessly floating in the infinite golden ocean of your own magnificent light. As the magnificent, limitless expanse of your own golden light beautifully, permanently settles into the very core of your conscious awareness, allow your gentle focus to smoothly and joyously return to the magnificent physical mirror around you. When your eyes softly take in the familiar shapes, the beautiful colors, and the radiant light of this exact space, realize with staggering, euphoric certainty that you are looking directly at yourself. The dense, exhausting illusion that you were a small, vulnerable character desperately trying to manipulate a massive external universe, has entirely, flawlessly evaporated. You have gracefully, permanently stepped into the magnificent, infinite whole. When you move through the physical 3D canvas today, tomorrow, and for the glorious remainder of your eternal journey, you are no longer walking as a separate entity seeking connection, wealth, or safety. You are navigating the seamless reality with the breathtaking, unhurried grace of the absolute creator, intimately and joyously aware that every beautiful opportunity, every flawlessly opened door, and every staggering financial windfall is simply your own always present awareness, gracefully taking physical shape to delight you. You will experience your daily life with the staggering ease of total embodiment. When the sleeping matrix innocently attempts to offer you the heavy illusions of separation, lack, or distance, you will not react with the panicked, frantic energy of someone who believes they have lost their power. You will simply, quietly smile from the radiant summit of your ultimate form. You will look at the infinite expanse of your timeline, and you will understand that you cannot possibly lack anything, because you beautifully, undeniably, are everything. You will rest in your magnificent perfection, and you will watch the physical mirror flawlessly, automatically reflect the breathtaking masterpiece of your own joy. The grand game is permanently won, the final veil has beautifully dissolved, and the canvas of light is eternally, perfectly yours. To permanently and beautifully seal this ultimate graduation, I invite you to leave your triumphant, eternal signature on this culminating transmission. Subscribe to this channel not as a seeker looking for the next piece of the puzzle, but as the grand awakened master joyously claiming the pristine, effortless perfection of your ultimate form. Take your honored, rightful seat at the absolute center of the seamless reality. You are completely, eternally everything here. Leave a like on this video as a beautiful, physical declaration of your omnipresence. A brilliant, golden spark deliberately illuminated to silently tell the entire cosmos that you have completely dropped the illusion of separation and you are resting in the untouchable light of the whole. And finally, step into the joyous, welcoming sanctuary of the comments below to permanently stamp your frequency into the matrix. Claim your grand, unbothered residence in this beautiful, infinite awareness. Join the glorious, expanding chorus of creators who have also entirely realized their magnificent embodiment today, and cast your triumphant frequency into the world by typing these exact words. I am the entirety of the seamless reality. Everything I see is my own light. Type it slowly with a gentle, absolute knowing resting in your eternal heart. Feel the staggering, euphoric relief of those words radiating from your fingertips and echoing endlessly across the flawless, golden fabric of your own infinite consciousness. There is nowhere left to go. There is nothing left to seek. You are the magnificent, entirely finished masterpiece. Welcome home.